Hey guys, Tanya here. My favorite things are back in Dollar Tree, and this is the time of year close to Father's Days when you'll find more of an abundance of self-care items like this for men. I was a licensed cosmetologist for several years, and sanitation and safety is so important. A lot of men, a lot of us, we're not spraying down our utensils. If you're not spraying them down, disinfecting them on a regular basis, you need to replace them a lot. So I keep a bunch on hand for Father's Day, birthdays, Christmas. They all get a new set of these, and also these cosmetic, these travel bags. They're in stock there. But really, I just wanted to, for those that aren't, in Dollar Tree a lot, start looking out for these. And this is the time, June up until Father's Day, you'll start seeing more of this stuff. Okay. So great for your gift baskets. So it's not, you're not telling your guys they're not groomed. It's like you just need to replace it. If you're not spraying it down, disinfecting, you need to replace them. All right. Just wanted to share that. Bye.